Again, everybody, welcome back. The reason I decided to do another vlog for today and for tonight is because I have a couple other things on the big windstorm event. Not so much just for here in and around Rochester, New York, but also some stuff that happened in Syracuse, and something that also happened around near Buffalo, over by the Niagara River and Lake Erie, where one of my other people currently on my Facebook friend, the one that used to be next door neighbors with me back in my hometown in Hilton a long time ago, you know, if we can. A lot of times on my laptop I tend to get a green screen video, but we'll try and see if we can play the video on my page, and if we can see if we get an alright if we can even get an alright reasonably clear picture. What you are about to see is really almost something you've never seen happen over by the lake, or over by the lake or river. Really more so over by the lake and stuff. What you're gonna see is you're gonna see that the wind was a lot worse out there, and so bad it actually pushed a lot of ice over the levee actually. So let's see if we can even play it right here. I don't know if we'll get a green screen or not, but this is at least a picture of what it looks like. Okay. Check this out, everybody. See? Wind is so bad that it's literally pushing ice. See? It's pushing ice over. It's pushing ice over the levee, as you can see. That is nasty. It's even knocking down some of the parking, looks like kind of construction barricades. Look at that. It's almost crushing one of the construction barricades. It's almost literally nearly crushing that construction barricade that you just saw them looking at. Wow, now look at it. It's crushing that construction barricade even more. Look at all that ice. Look at all that ice getting pushed over the Look at all that ice getting pushed over the levee. That's really something, everybody. See, from where they were standing in this part of the video, you couldn't even see the lake anymore. It got so high, it was actually blocking the view of the lake. Look at how much ice it pushed over the levee.
There's the big sheet of ice that was coming down.
Yep.
Because it broke over the barge with this high wind.
Broke over the barge, broke over the levee. Broke over the levee.
So I came down just to see if I would get it. Oh,
It hasn't gotten high up over here yet where it's blocking the view of the lake, but it could. Listen to how bad the wind was out there. Man, that was, wow. How do you like that? How do you like, how do you like, how do you like that? How is that for like an ice shove? And I just wanted to show you one more thing. Well, I'm not sure if I could find it, but one thing I will say, I'll share with you something that happened in Syracuse. The wind got so strong and so nasty out there, it actually blew down some scaffolding and stuff around this building that was being built and stuff. So now the crew's gonna have to, once the wind calms down, pick up the pieces and see what they got to do to rebuild all that scaffolding. The wind was so bad it knocked down all the scaffolding. It knocked down all the scaffolding around the building that had been being built out in Syracuse. That's all I wanted to show you in this second video for today. If you enjoyed this vlog and this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up for sure. Be sure to comment down below on what you think of the amazing video I just showed you that one of my other people on my Facebook friend list had posted out around out around over by both the Niagara River and both where Niagara River and Lake Erie both meet and Lake Erie both meet. And again, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next vlog, in my next video. Good luck with the remainder of the windstorm event here in Rochester and all around eastern and western New York the rest of the night.